Hi friends, this is Narasimha and I'm studying BTech first year of CSD group in IRE College. Today, as a part of my Tech Talk videos in the subject of programming for problem solving using C language, I want to explain about a new topic named augmented reality and virtual reality. In these both type of words, there is a word specified in it. The word is reality, which means the real. Next, coming to the augmented reality. Let us know about augmented reality. Augmented reality is an enhanced version of the real physical world that is achieved through the use of digital visual elements, sound, or other sensory stimuli delivered via technology. It is a growing trend among companies involved in mobile computing and business applications in particular. Friends, before going to explain this about this topic, I want to share a few thoughts with you. Nowadays, in our day-to-day life, every day the technology is getting improved and we are getting habited to attract the instant ones. So, in the from mobile to the industries, from mobile to the industries, the technology is growing day by day. So, day by day, the more items are getting newly invented and used by the people. Amid the rise of data collection and analysis, one of the augmented reality's primary goals is to highlight specific features of the physical world. And next, virtual reality. Amid the rise of data collection and analysis, one of augmented reality's primary goals is to highlight specific features of the physical world, increase understanding of those features, and derive smart and accessible insight that can be applied to real world applications. In this stimulated artificial environment, the user is able to have a realistic feeling experience. Friends, compared to virtual reality, augmented reality is very high technology used item. When you're in virtual reality, I have mentioned a point that in the stimulated artificial environment, I have specified before that in the environment is becoming smart and the features in the mobile auto industries are developing day to day by via technology. The user means the people who are living in the environment or want to use a realistic feel I want to gain a realistic feeling experience. Next, here are the 7 most popular programming languages for augmented reality and virtual reality development. Some of the examples are C Hash, C or C++, Java, JavaScript, Python, and visual development tools, and Swift. Among these all, nowadays Python is very much popular due to its features. And for augmented reality, C Hash and C or C++ and Java are the most popular programming languages among these all programming languages. And I want to show a visualized example by which you can understand easily what is augmented reality and virtual reality mean. First of all, come to augmented reality. An example. Here we can see two persons and they are doing their work in invisible computers. Come to virtual reality. An example is here you can see a person who had kept a device to his eyes and he is visualizing the experience. In the first example, in the augmented reality, the items which are seen by the persons are invisible. In the coming to virtual reality, the items are seen by the person by a device shortly connected to his eyes. By seeing these devices, you can get a neat and clear idea about the augmented reality and virtual reality mean. By comparing this both, we can say that augmented reality is much more technology used than virtual reality. You can see this for a moment. Friends, better and best example for augmented reality is a 3D movies, which we have experienced with all. In this augmented reality, while watching a movie, we will experience a feeling that we are involved in the movie and we are the place in the movie, which means the augmented reality shifts our world, means it will bring another world in front of our eyes, and which will make us to experience a good and very different feeling. Coming to virtual reality, it also gives an reality feeling, but it will change the world without changing our emotions. Coming to hardware, augmented or virtual reality depends high-end hardware. However, as the price of hardware is constantly going down, this may not represent a big problem as it did a few years ago. Few years ago, for a hardware to buy or to work upon the hardware, it is too much risky because due to the money. In few years ago, there are no persons with insufficient money, but they have sufficient knowledge. But due to the lack of money, they had withdrawn their trials. If we take a look at the requirements of the two most popular VR platforms, they are HTC Vive and Oculus Rift. We will see they are basically the same. At the time of this writing, these are the recommended hardware specifications. The five hardware specifications are processor, graphics, memory, ports, and operating system. Coming to the processor, Intel Core i5-4590 or AMD FX 8350. This is a type of a model which is perfectly suited for the hardware of creating augmented reality or virtual reality. Coming to graphics, the example is NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1060 or AMD Radeon RX 480. Coming to memory, it should be 8 GB RAM. Ports, 3x USB 3.0. Operating system, Windows 7 or superior or more than that. Coming to the key technologies, means the main points of augmented reality or virtual reality. A headset is made up of many component parts, including optics, displays, sensors, or haptics. Each of these component parts must fit together seamlessly to create a completely immersive experience for the user. Within optics, waveguides are an important part of augmented and mixed reality displays, transmitting the image from the display to the user's eye. Friends, we all are come across using headphones, which will give us reality sounds by which we will experience a good feeling, and we will feel that we are involved in the song or in the movie, etc. The headset is an best example for the augmented reality or virtual reality, means the base example. It includes the optics and displays and the sensors and haptics by which we are feeling a good experience, means a real experience. Next, there are many different requirements which must be fulfilled, and although currently there are optical artifacts present in some headsets, it is likely in the future that this will be removed as the technology evolves and improves. Industries use these technologies. There are a broad range of use cases and industries using augmented, mixed, and virtual reality technology. For example, manufacturing, remote assistance, education, and training, to name but a few. These applications are used in many different industries. Means in the para, I want to explain that in the industries, means in which industries this type of technology is used upon. In a broad range of industries, this type of technology is used because it is very important for the future world. And day to day, every day, the future is growing up, and the persons are growing up, and the technology is more growing up. So it should be useful. Coming to coding. For creation and working of augmented reality and virtual reality, the coding is important. For creating a new world in our existing world, the coding is the base work. Not only about this, friends, I want to explain a topic. Friends, as I'm saying the topic about the C language, coming to the, I want to say a fact about the C language. C is the only language that exists for the longest period of time in computer programming history. It's really easy and fun to write a C program. You can check out how to write a C program in Linux, most popular Linux kernel, and most Unix utilities. C is a old and history-based language. It is procedure-based language, and by which you can do coding. The kilos of code will be more, but it's an easiest way. It works on the compiler. Coming to augmented reality and virtual reality, the once again I want to show the examples for you. Here you can see the examples. Augmented reality and virtual reality. To create this type of reality by the devices created by us, the coding is very important. So I hope my lecture is useful for you, and thank you friends for listening my lecture, and I hope it is useful for your further studies.